Hi guys, it's Hiroka. Welcome to our channel. Today, I'm going to talk about the difference between そうですか and そうですね. It sounds a bit similar, but the meaning is different. But it's really complicated, I know that. Okay, so today we're gonna see the difference between them. So let's get started. So I'm going to talk about the difference based on the example. First, 今日は寒いですね。そうですね。そうですね。そう、今日は寒いですね。means today is so cold. そうですね means I agree. ね means ask for your answer. So, the person who said that sentence, they answered, I agree. It's そうですね。そうですね。Is that? Okay. 私は寿司が大好きです。あなたは好き？そうですね。まあ、嫌いではないです。It means I love sushi. Do you like sushi? Like that. And then the person who said this sentence, they answered, thinking about your answer. Well, そうですね。そうですね。Like that. So the third example. あなたは昨日、彼女に会いました。そうですね。はい、そうです。昨日はすっごく忙しかったんです。そうですか。大変でしたね。It means 昨日は本当に大変でした。Yesterday, I had a big day or I was so busy. Yesterday, I was so busy. So the answer is そうですか。It means really? Second one? 私は彼が大好きなの。え？そうなんですか？私もです。It means I love him so much. そうですか？ Really? And third meaning is その帽子いいですね。あ、そうですか？そうですか？ちょっと変だと思うんですけどね。Nice hat! And it means その帽子素敵ですね。I like your hat. I like your hat. そうですか？ Really? Or you think so? Like that. So you put the ka at the end of the sentence. It means it becomes a question. そうですか？そうですか？ It's a question. So, let's just summarize the difference between そうですね and そうですか。Let's go! Now guys, you understand the difference between そうですか and そうですね. It's easy, I think so. Yeah. So you guys, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you. Bye.